Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of my favorite things, home decor hacks. You don't need a big budget or a fancy interior designer to achieve that beautifully designed room feeling. We're going to be talking about 6 amazing and useful home decor tips and tricks that can absolutely transform your living spaces without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to refresh your interiors, make your home more functional, or just add a little something special, I've got you covered. Now let's get started. One of the biggest challenges in any home is finding enough storage. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a small house, space can quickly become a premium. It's so easy to let clutter pile up and make a room feel smaller than it actually is. Clothes, books, and random items can quickly take over. But don't worry, I've got a solution that's both practical and stylish: vertical storage. This method not only helps you organize, but also enhances the aesthetic of your space. It's all about thinking upward and making the most of your walls. By utilizing vertical space, you can free up floor space and make your room feel more open. Start by taking a good look around your home and identifying areas where you can utilize those often neglected vertical spaces. Think about the walls that are currently bare or underutilized. It could be that awkward little nook in your kitchen, which is perfect for a few shelves to store your spices or cookbooks. The empty wall in your living room, which can be transformed into a gallery wall with shelves for your favorite decor pieces, or even the space above your bed. This area is often overlooked but can be a great spot for additional storage or display. The secret weapon here is floating shelves. These shelves are easy to install and can hold a surprising amount of weight. They're like magic, instantly adding storage space without taking up any precious floor space. Plus, they can be customized to fit any room. Plus, they come in all kinds of styles, colors, and materials. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more eclectic, there's a floating shelf for you. If you're going for a rustic farmhouse vibe, natural wood shelves are always a winner. They add warmth and character to any space. For a more modern and sleek look, try glass shelves. They give a clean, airy feel and can make a small room appear larger. Once your shelves are up, it's time to get organized. Arrange your items thoughtfully to maximize both space and visual appeal. But don't just throw things on there haphazardly. Decorative baskets, vintage crates, and stylish bins can help keep everything tidy and add a touch of personality. Or clear containers are your best friends here. They keep things visible and accessible while maintaining a clean look. Imagine stacking your cookbooks on a beautiful wooden floating shelf in your kitchen, with a couple of your favorite plants nestled in between. It's both functional and decorative. Vertical storage isn't just about functionality. It's about adding character and charm to your home. So, start looking up and transform your space today. You know that big blank wall in your living room? The one you've been meaning to do something with? Well, it's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Today, we're going to transform that empty canvas into a stunning gallery wall that reflects your unique personality and style. And the best part? It's easier than you think. First things first, gather your supplies. Head to your local flea market, antique shop, or even your own attic and dig out those hidden treasures. We're talking photo frames in all shapes and sizes, vintage mirrors, old postcards, maybe even some botanical prints, anything that speaks to your heart. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and materials. The key is to create a curated look that feels personal and eclectic. Before you start hammering nails into the wall, lay your frames on the floor first and play around with different arrangements until you find one that makes your heart sing. Once you're happy with the layout, snap a quick picture with your phone so you don't forget. Use painter's tape to mark out the placement of each frame on your wall, using your phone picture as a guide. Incorporate personal photos, handwritten quotes on pretty paper, or even your own artwork for a gallery wall that's uniquely you. Let's talk about the unsung hero of home decor: lighting. Often overlooked, lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and tone of any room. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, intimate setting or a bright, energetic space, the right lighting can make all the difference. Lighting can make or break a room. A well-lit room feels welcoming and vibrant, while a poorly lit one can feel dull and uninviting. It's like the jewelry of your home. It adds that final touch of sparkle and personality. Think of it as the finishing touch that completes your interior design. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a fortune to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. There are plenty of affordable options that can transform your space without breaking the bank. Let's start with the basics. those builder-grade light fixtures that came with your home. They serve their purpose, but often lack character and style. Swapping them out for something with a little more personality can make a world of difference. It's a simple change that can elevate the entire look of a room. Think statement chandeliers over your dining table, which can serve as a stunning focal point and conversation starter. Or a cluster of pendant lights over your kitchen island. These not only provide functional lighting but also add a touch of style and sophistication. Not only do they add a touch of elegance, but they also create a focal point and draw the eye upward, making the room feel more spacious. And don't forget about sconces. These versatile fixtures can be used in various settings to add both function and flair. They're perfect for adding a touch of warmth and ambiance to hallways, bedrooms, or even flanking your fireplace. Sconces can create a soft, inviting glow that enhances the overall atmosphere. LED strip lights are a game changer. These versatile lights can be used in a variety of ways to add both function and style to your home. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and can be hidden away in all sorts of creative spots. Use them to highlight architectural features or to add a subtle glow to your decor. Try installing them under your kitchen cabinets for some task lighting, which can make meal prep easier and more enjoyable, or behind your TV for a soft, ambient glow. This not only reduces eye strain but also creates a cozy atmosphere for movie nights. You can even use them to highlight architectural details or artwork, adding depth and dimension to your space. A well-placed lamp can add a warm pool of light to a dark corner, instantly making it feel more inviting and comfortable, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a reading nook or a living room, the right lamp can make all the difference. Opt for lamps with dimmer switches so you can adjust the lighting to suit your mood. This flexibility allows you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Warm-toned LED bulbs are the way to go if you're aiming for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. They emit a soft, golden light that makes any room feel more welcoming and comfortable. These days, it seems like homes are getting smaller and smaller, but our lives are getting busier and busier. So, how do you make the most of your space without feeling cramped? The answer is simple: multifunctional furniture. It's all about choosing pieces that work double duty, so you can transform your space to fit your ever-changing needs. If you're living in a smaller home or apartment, investing in foldable or multi-use furniture is a game changer. Think a comfy sofa that transforms into a bed for overnight guests, or a sleek console table that folds out into a spacious dining table for family gatherings. Another trick I love is using furniture to divide open-plan spaces without building permanent walls. Bookshelves are fantastic for this. Not only do they provide storage, but they can also act as a room divider, creating separate zones for live-in, dine-in, or work-in. If you're looking for something a little more decorative, try using curtains or decorative screens to visually separate different areas. When you're shopping for new furniture, keep an eye out for pieces with hidden compartments. Remember, the key to multifunctional live-in is to make every inch of your space work hard for you. You know that feeling you get when you slip into a cozy bed with fresh sheets? It's like a warm hug that instantly makes you feel at home. It's like an instant mood booster. That same sense of comfort and joy can be brought into your living spaces with just a few thoughtful changes. Well, the same goes for your living spaces. A well-decorated room can make you feel more relaxed and happy. Sometimes all it takes to breathe new life into a room is a little something I like to call a textile refresh. It's a simple yet effective way to update your home. It's amazing how a few simple swaps can completely transform the look and feel of your home without breaking the bank. You don't need to spend a fortune to make a big impact. Let's start with your sofa and chairs, shall we? These pieces are often the focal point of a living room, so giving them a little love can go a long way. They're often the focal point of a living room, so giving them a little love can go a long way. Fluff those pillows and add some new ones for a fresh look. Swap out those tired old throw pillows for some fresh new ones in seasonal colors or trendy patterns. This simple change can make a huge difference. Add a cozy throw blanket or two and voila! You've got yourself a brand new look. Throws are not only functional but also add a layer of texture and warmth. You've got yourself a brand new look. It's like giving your room a mini makeover without the hassle. Don't forget about your floors. Area rugs are like magic carpets. They can instantly add warmth, texture, and personality to any room. Area rugs are like magic carpets. They can instantly add warmth, texture, and personality to any room. Choose a rug that complements your existing decor. Don't be afraid to layer rugs with different textures and patterns to create visual interest and depth. This technique can make your space feel more dynamic and inviting. Window treatments can also make a big impact. They frame your view and can set the tone for the entire room. Sheer curtains are perfect for letting in natural light, while linen curtains add a touch of casual elegance. The right curtains can make your room feel airy and open or cozy and intimate. And here's a little something extra: drape cozy throws or blankets over the backs of chairs and couches. This not only adds comfort but also a touch of style. Alright folks, let's talk about one of my favorite design secrets: mirrors. They're like magic tricks for your home, instantly making spaces feel larger, brighter, and more stylish. Plus, they're super versatile and can be used in so many creative ways. One of the most well-known tricks in the book is to place a large mirror opposite a window. It's like opening up a whole new wall. The mirror reflects the natural light pouring in from the window, instantly brightening up the entire room and making it feel more spacious. But mirrors aren't just for making rooms look bigger. They can also be used to add a touch of personality and style. Round mirrors, oval mirrors, even irregularly shaped mirrors. They all add a touch of artistry and whimsy to your walls. And don't be afraid to get creative with the frames. Vintage frames, ornate frames, even simple wooden frames. They can all change the entire look and feel of a mirror. Try clustering small mirrors of different shapes and sizes on a wall to create an eye-catching feature. You can even use mirrors to highlight your favorite pieces of furniture or artwork. Well, there you have it, folks. 6 amazing and useful home decor tips and tricks that'll have your wheels turning and your creative juices flowing. Remember, creating a home you love is all about infusing your personality and style into every nook and cranny. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Whether you're tackling a complete home makeover or just looking to refresh a tired corner, these tips and tricks are a great place to start. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.